Marijuana, one of the most infamous drugs in the modern day. It's commonly known for its depressant effects that impair motor and cognitive functions, which causes many people to be wary of it. But what if I told you that cannabis was a major factor in uncovering one of the body's most important regulatory systems, the endocannabinoid system? First discovered in 1988, the endocannabinoid system is a cell signaling system that helps regulate and control some of the body's most critical processes, such as learning, memory, emotional responses, and even processes related to food and energy. It works through the presence of cannabinoid receptors, commonly referred to as CB1 receptors, in the brain and other organs in the body. They are binded to by endocannabinoid molecules that move backwards through the synapse to act as regulators of your body's neurotransmitters. This, in turn, leads to important control of the brain, the body's tissues, and the endocrine system and their processes such as temperature control, reaction to external stimuli, and even metabolism. And, as mentioned earlier, THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, does have major effects on the endocannabinoid system, and thus can change the way the cells and transmitters in your body function. This is because, as the name endocannabinoid suggests, many elements of the system interact with or are similar in structure to THC, which is commonly found in cannabis, meaning that when cannabis is consumed, the THC it contains binds to cannabinoid receptors in place of endocannabinoids, and thus slows reactions, impacts memory, and even increases hunger. And since THC has the ability to affect the endocannabinoid system, scientists are looking into the role it may be able to play for people with PTSD and anxiety, whose endocannabinoid systems may not properly signal stressors and threats. Furthermore, scientists are also looking into a second type of cannabinoid receptor known as CB2, because unlike the CB1 receptors, they do not cause a high and are directly related to anti-inflammation, which could be useful in future treatment of chronic pain disorders. All in all, the use of cannabis seems to be a real possibility in the treatment of a variety of ailments and mental disorders. In fact, it is currently being used for some treatments. And it's all thanks to the miraculous secret system of the body, the endocannabinoid system, and it must have people feeling on cloud 9.